Ladies Chica, Bel Mariano out the softer, more balanced side of Donnie Pangilinan bukod sa goofy and happy Donnie. Tita shares the effect Bel Mariano has on her son Donnie Pangilinan. Bel brings out a softer, more balanced side of Donnie. She gives him calmness and a sense of stability. Dagdag pa niya, masaya ako na nakilala niya si Bel. I think nahanap niya na ang kanyang forever.